Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm continuing with our review, MGF 1106, the logic test. And I am using sample 2 in your booklet. So right now we're on page 64. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one video for questions 5, 6, and 7 because they have a common theme. Each question gives you a statement and it asks you to write the negation of the statement. The first one has some are, the second one has some are not, this one has no or none are, okay? And it could also say all. Anytime you see the words some are not, none, all, you're thinking of quantified statements, not simple statements that are very easy to negate. So what you're going to do is you're going to look on your cheat sheet, and I believe it's item 1, but it doesn't matter. You can find this on your cheat sheet. And to negate quantified statements, all are will negate to some are not, and vice versa. And some are will negate to none are. All right, think about this. If it's not true that all of them are whatever, then some of them are not. If it's not true that some of them are a particular property, then none of them are. So you use this little method to negate quantified statements. So let's start with item 5. Some birds are blue. We want to negate that. Some are negates to none are. So in this case, we would say no birds are blue. Some are negates to none are. If it's not true that some birds are blue, then no birds are blue. There's a way to say it just by reasoning it through. Okay. Number 6, the statement is some birds are not blue. Some are not is going to negate to all are. So some birds are not blue would negate to all birds are indeed blue. And again, even if you reason this out, think through this. If it is not the case that some birds are not blue, if it's not true that some birds are not blue, then all birds are blue. But you can just simply stick to the pattern. Some are not is going to negate to all are. Okay, and item number 7, no birds are blue. None are negate to some are. So the negation would be some birds are blue. And think that through. If it's not the case that no birds are blue, then there must be at least one bird that is blue. So you could say that by saying some birds are blue, one or more. Some birds are blue. But again, problem 5, 6, and 7 can totally be done by recognizing that you have quantified statements that you're asking to negate. So you look on your memory page or your cheat sheet, as I call it, and you find how to negate quantified statements, and you follow the pattern. Logic is very simple. Logic is following patterns. If you stick to patterns, you're going to be very good with logic. It's direct pattern recognition and pattern usage.